Hey everybody, it's a crisp morning here in North Carolina. We had freeze warnings in effect last night. I had to cover up my little uh, spinach and radish garden, which is in a pot, and my onions too, just to be on the safe side. They were larger and they probably wouldn't have had any problem, but I'd rather err on the side of caution. This is my Shameless Saturday shout out. And as you know, you can tell us about your channel in the comment section below. Tell us all about it. And I've got two channels to shout out. One is Dani May's Adventures. Dani May is traveling up and down the West Coast in an RV and doing some great live streams. And she also did a video, which I'm going to link, on water conservation on washing dishes. And she also made some Salisbury steak with some gravy. Gosh, oh, I'd love to have that. But anyway, check her channel out. Give her a look-see. If you like her, stick around and go to her live streams. They have some real good live streams over there. And our next channel is Holistic Living Down Under. The video I've linked looks like works of art, but they're actually food. And this lady, she's in Australia, and she's just making all kind of works of art and food and sweets and all. And I am craving sweets, so I'm looking at every sweet channel. I'm about to lick my phone screen. But give her channel a look-see, and everything will be linked down there in the comment section and in the description section. And please tell us about your video and your channel, and tell us about you, and give everybody else a look-see. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.